most of my clients overseas.
Yes, like this one too.
Yeah, this job is overseas person.
Right.
I don't know this person.
Yeah, you don't know the person.
I don't know the person. I just spoke to her on the phone.
Right.
And we signed contract and sent up. She signed.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family.
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah man, welcome back to the Delpratt Family. You know, a lot of you guys I've seen in the comments, you guys asking, you know, about the benefits or the risks with, you know, using a contractor, and also the benefits or the risks with building from overseas.
Yeah.
Right? In this video, we're gonna be talking to you about some of those.
One of those concerns, one of those questions, and we're getting another person's opinion. So
Right.
you're getting the opinion of a contractor.
Right. You know, we're actually on a construction site right now with Mr. Simmons. Right. He's actually a contractor. Right. A very reputable contractor. I know him. He did the work for me in the past. Right. Trustworthy. Right. I'm actually on this site. You know, and I came out here just to get some professional advice. I know a lot of you guys, you're always asking about building from overseas, what it's like, you know, whether it's a good thing to do or a bad thing. So today, Mr. Simmons will walk us through all of that, you know, all the pros and cons. You know, he's basically the best person to advise on this, you know, so we start. So, Mr. Simmons, you know, good to see you. Yeah. All right. Yeah, man, see the man well decked out. You know, all that work. We take him off in busy day, right? Because he's here trying to complete this project.
Yeah.
All right. This is really supposed to be a 4-month project, right? He's now in 4 months, you know, on the finishing, as you guys can see. So basically, all he's doing now is basically putting on the roof, and so tell us. Mm-hmm.
Well, we're in the roofing process right now.
Mm-hmm.
We're actually doing a semi-storm-proof roof.
Mm-hmm.
Where it contains membrane, plywood, decker tile.
Yes.
So we're actually putting on preparing the roof to take the decker tile, also a concrete guttering around, protect the eave of the roof.
Yes.
And also protect hurricane from lift the roof from a starting point.
Right. Because he actually mentioned to me a lot of persons when them do shingling, you know, them not make it storm proof. And even me too, more than know say like you have to put in certain things underneath before, because as you say, a lot of persons just put on shingles and them gone, and when them gone now your roof a leak, you know problem, the roof are rotten out, all of them things there.
And so actually we have to make sure this roof is protected because it's gonna be sheetrock underneath. So we can't have a leak at no given time.
Right.
So we have to put a processor membrane, some areas and some here because it's a semi-storm proof roof.
Right.
We have to have membrane and felt.
Right.
If we're gonna be a fully storm proof roof, we have to use membrane straight through. So for this process, we're gonna have to finish the wood work.
Yeah.
We're gonna membrane straighten here like the hip and the valley. We're gonna have a membrane.
Yes.
And then the
certain places are more vulnerable to water coming in.
Yeah. Most time the hip blow off.
Yes.
So
what you call the hip?
Hip is here.
Oh, the corner. Oh, yes.
And the middle part.
And the middle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have to get those things secure so in case a tile should blow off.
Yes.
It's still secure from the water. Until we get it fixed.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
So that's where we use the membrane and the felt.
Right.
Like
Right.
You know? So this is the process the preparing work for it right now.
Yeah.
And after we start to put the membrane on and the felt.
Yes.
That's when we start to put the tile immediately after.
Yeah.
I would want to win.
All right. So you actually say you're doing sheetrock in the ceiling. Yes. And I'll take particular interest in that because you know in Jamaica it's very hot.
Yeah.
Right? And if you live overseas and used to more, you know, cooler climate, the sheetrock will kind of simulate that even a little bit, bring down the temperature a couple of
What I want
degrees.
to tell us, the sheetrock does a lot.
Yeah, yeah.
It also save on energy.
Save my energy too, especially with like AC.
Like AC.
Yeah,
so
man.
you're gonna use the AC on your sheetrock ceiling.
Yes.
The heat will stays out.
Yeah.
And whatever temperature you have inside,
Yeah.
stays inside.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's nothing past the sheetrock where it's concerned.
Yeah.
Now,
It's an insulated material.
also,
Yes.
as long as it's insulated, it's more secure too. Also.
Yeah.
But you don't have to insulate for a ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
Because you're gonna also have the roof. You're gonna have a felt on it.
Yeah.
You're gonna have the membrane on it, so you're gonna cool it down a little bit too also. So, and you know, every day the sun gets hotter.
Yes.
And hotter each time in Jamaica.
Yeah, yeah.
The best thing to do, I would recommend to anybody to do a ceiling, use sheetrock.
Mm-hmm,
Very
mm-hmm.
good. You can decorate it. You can do what you want on it, and also you can get a nice mold around on it.
Me see you put on some moldings on the building, right? We're gonna show them about the moldings. So Mr. Simmons also do all of that. So I mean, Mr. Simmons, him work locally and overseas.
Yeah.
So him all of the fancy, you know, international design.
International design from all Jamaica, Canada, US,
Yeah,
St. Martin, small islands. I do all those. I work all over the place.
yeah,
I
yeah.
have a lot of different things compared to Jamaica. Link with everything together makes things so dominant.
Yeah.
You understand? So when you want a job to do in Jamaica and you're living overseas, I can give you the overseas feeling.
Right.
Same with like the Jamaican feeling.
As you mentioned that, Mr. Simmons, a lot of persons, we started the video by saying a lot of persons living overseas want to build in Jamaica, right? I want you to give me some tips for these persons.
If it's concerned, I could advise any customer. I mean, it's not every contractor in Jamaica are shoplifters.
Yes.
Because when I travel and I meet people over there, I was talking about contractor in Jamaica, they are shoplifters.
Yes.
So, and I said to them, no,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to say they're not.
Right.
They are guys you can find, you can trust.
Right,
Yeah.
You
right.
understand me? Because I can speak for myself, I can't speak for nobody else.
Yes.
You understand me? But I would advise you, every time you're giving a contract to anybody in Jamaica, or a contractor, or even somebody, a friend of yours or whoever, don't leave a contract out.
Yes.
Make sure you sign a
Sign
contract.
paper.
Sign a
Yes.
contract.
Uh-huh.
You understand me? Get a written contract. You can use by a lawyer, a JP, or whoever you can make up a contract. I
Yes.
make up my own contract and get a lawyer sign it.
Yes.
So automatically, if you get a contract up and that person anything for you, don't worry about that because the law will take care of it.
Yes.
You understand? Because the law is just like any other country.
Right,
Same
right,
in Jamaica. So
right.
don't worry about the law.
Because where a lot of persons go wrong, you know, the paperwork not signed, them talk over the phone,
Word of mouth.
word of mouth,
Yeah.
you have a man and you call him in and that's that. But when you sign and of course, so what kind of information you provide to customers in terms of for legal ramifications then, yeah.
But most of my clients overseas.
Yes.
And
Like this one too.
Yeah, this job is overseas person.
Right.
See, I don't know this person.
Yeah, you don't know the
I
person.
don't know the person. I
Yeah.
just spoke to her on the phone.
Right.
And we signed contract and sent it up, she signed, send it back.
Yes.
You understand me? And we go through a lawyer.
Right. So basically, they got his contact via recommendation, which is also very, very important.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
true.
Recommendation. So you are saying the person got to you, and you never met the person before.
No.
So continue.
So if you want to make sure that you have a contract signed by that person, so automatically whether you meet the person or not,
Yes.
it's up to you to live by your reputation.
Right.
You
Right.
understand me? So, and I can't spoil my reputation at this time of my life. Now nor never.
Yes.
You understand me? Because I mean I can't take embarrassment. So
Yeah.
I have to make sure I stay on the right path.
Right.
You know. So where she's concerned now, I would advise a customer to use any contractor gonna do a job for them in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Let them purchase their own material.
Whichever contractor doing the work
Yeah.
purchase their own material.
What's the benefit of that?
The benefit of that now is it saves the customer a lot.
Yes. Before you go any further, guys, we know a lot of times, you know, we're looking the cheaper way out. And we are thinking that if we source our own, well, we're talking about a situation where you are overseas, you're not here in Jamaica. So, you know, we think that, hey, you know, you purchase your own material because if the contractor purchases your material, you're going to add the markup and then it's going to be more expensive for you. But what Mr. Simmons is trying to say that having the contractor being responsible for the material is most times the safer bet, and he's gonna explain that.
Yeah. The reason for this is sometimes when the material is on the site, sometimes workman will mess around with the material.
Right.
And that material will be under the contractor responsibility.
Right. Workman also persons on the outside.
Outside
too.
also.
Yes.
When you leave at night,
Yes.
anything can happen. You know?
Yes.
So if the contractor is responsible for the material, whatever material used and gets short, is
Yes.
and it's only that.
Right.
So the customer is safe where it's concerned.
Right.
So for instance, say we sign a contract, say the job is value XYZ. Doesn't matter how much material they want to buy.
Yes.
As long as that contract signed, he's on his home.
Right.
So the customer safe in that way. There's no material should be left on the side after the job completed.
Right.
Job should turn over, finished, clean, and cart away.
Because of course, what he's saying is, at the completion, the contractor, remember the contractor is responsible for the material. So at the completion of the job, it's in the contractor's best interest to clean the site of all,
weekends, during the week, half-time leave.
Because the leftover material is still, them still valuable, them still worth something, so I'm gonna take them away. Versus the material belong to you. When a lot of these persons finish working, them just leave as is.
Is gone.
And gone.
Messy and all kinds of stuff like that. And then the material now left back over, people take it away.
Yes.
So the customer end up
losing.
Yeah.
Also, you had mentioned something important too. A lot of the material can be reused by the contractor.
But not by the customer.
But not by the customer. So,
use for it.
Right.
Use for it.
Right.
There's also a factor of price escalation.
Yeah.
So that's kind of a safe point for the customer as well.
Right. The safe point is that the customer will charge, the contractor will charge for the job. And it's sign off.
The escalation in prices.
He's on his own. Yeah, I mean, you won't affect the customer anymore because they already sign off.
Yes.
So the contractor don't have to find anywhere around those things.
Right.
And make sure the customer get what he ordered. Because sometimes a job will require, say a person say, I want panel doors at the front of my building. Not because you get the raised price catch you. You still have to give the customer panel doors. No matter what the price might go up or go down.
Okay guys, so that's some really good best practices right there. But of course, everybody's situation is different. And for some of us, we have family members and friends in Jamaica that we hold to be very trusted persons, and we would want them to be over our affairs. What we do advise though in situations like that is, let's not make it a free service. You know, let's put something in it for the person who is here doing all this work for you. You know, give them a stipend, make it beneficial for them as well, and not just free labor. That's our recommendation. What we also think is that if you are going to go have somebody purchase your materials for you in Jamaica beside your contractor, ensure that you get your receipts. All right, ensure that you have documentations, ensure that person is responsible. You must have somebody here who is going to be responsible for your affairs, responsible for your money, that can give account for every cent that was spent. All right, and it's your projects, you need to get involved. You need to get your receipt them every time a purchase is made. And guys, we're living in the age of technology, so don't be afraid to video call. You need to get your progress updates. If you have a project going on, there must be somebody there that can give you progress updates and do a video call, run through the site and see where exactly your project is right now, what is going on there. So I mean, and don't be afraid to have your meetings with your contractors via Skype and Zoom. I mean, utilize all the technologies available to ensure that your work is being done properly and that you're getting value for your money.
At the moment, we are in the master bedroom, right?
Yes.
I have a few junks, but they are materials. So,
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a sheetrock ceiling, which is called a tray ceiling in this area. With some recessed light.
Recessed light, tray ceiling, recessed lighting.
Right around in this master bedroom.
That's trending right now, you know. A lot of persons going for that.
So gonna be a decorated ceiling called knockdown. With the surface that is sheetrock. Yeah, that's what I mean? And so it's gonna be something elegant to look at when I finish.
Yes.
Fixtures, well, She don't want much in it. All she wants in this room is a bed.
Yeah,
As big as this room be,
Yeah.
she don't want a bed in it.
Yeah, she don't want the clutter.
No, she don't want the clutter. Her make it so huge.
Yes, yes.
You want a bed in it. That's it. So this is the master bathroom now and closet. Master bathroom and closet. Actually, it's gonna have a double sink, Mr. and Mrs.
Yes.
And a regular toilet she wanted.
Yeah.
And a standing shower.
Okay.
You don't want a jacuzzi inside the shower. You know, they're two old people, so.
Yeah.
You don't want something. And actually, this design is like this. When you want to time you come from the bathroom, you step into your closet.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
This design gonna be here.
Okay.
This bathroom gonna also have recess light. Right?
Recess lighting in the bathroom as well.
Bathroom also.
Nice, nice.
So and also tray ceiling. So it's gonna be have an elegant, nice, rich look.
Yes.
But owned by a poor person.
I like the sound.
So
Sounds good, right?
this is gonna be a very nice. So whenever you come out of this bathroom and straight into your closet, you're gonna have a big, huge glass right here.
Yes.
And both sides gonna be shelves. So you can dress yourself, and when you come out of your bathroom and go in the bedroom,
Yeah.
you dress.
Mr. Simmons mentioned something, you know, because by the way, guys, we're gonna be doing some construction ourselves very, very soon, you know.
Yeah.
Right? So we were, you know, taking some tips and, you know, suggestions from Mr. Simmons. Him say him have him resources, him have him material, him books for different design and everything. So when the customers come to him, right, him have the different suggestions.
Yeah, I have a book I bought in America.
Yeah.
That you can choose the house from.
Yeah.
It might not be in wood because most American houses make
Wood, yeah.
but you can have the same design.
Right.
So it has the floor plan and everything. So I give you the design, you choose a house from it, and we get the trophy.
Yeah, yeah.
Understand me? So it's up to you what you want. If
Yeah.
you want if you want a house look like an American house,
Yeah.
you can get an American house.
Up to you.
Up to you. If
Yeah.
you want a Jamaican look, you get a Jamaican look. So it's up to you what you want.
Yeah.
You understand? Now we are in the living room.
This is the living room.
Yeah. And also step here coming up here. From down.
Oh, the step.
Yeah.
You're gonna enter up here from
downstairs.
Okay.
First step.
The steps
So
is covered now.
Yeah, for temporary because downstairs to use.
Yes, yes.
So also got that tray ceiling inside here too, which is light around.
Yeah.
Same look you're gonna have.
Okay.
From inside here.
Yes.
Passage here now with a flat ceiling.
Yes.
Same sheet gonna put it with flat. Don't have any. Yeah. This is a washroom.
Washroom. Okay.
Which is just close to the living room.
Okay.
Understand me? So
Yeah.
it's basically one just a sink, a washtub, and a washing machine right here.
Yeah, yeah.
So the ceiling will be flat in
Okay.
This one
So downstairs there'll be two separate.
actually it's gonna be two separate houses.
Okay, okay.
Because the daughter got it downstairs, she got it upstairs.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Gonna enter by downstairs.
Yes.
This is the bathroom.
It's a bathroom. Like,
The
yeah.
bathroom gonna by these two rooms. Bedroom and this bedroom.
Oh, so there are two other bedrooms. So it's a three up here, three bedrooms.
Three bedroom, yeah.
Yes. And as you said, the first bedroom is the master bedroom.
This is the back room. We contain a guest room.
Yeah.
That's how many say our guests.
Mm-hmm.
You know. So and the closet for the guests right here.
Oh, okay. Right here.
Work going on. So you know,
Yeah, man.
This is
The
the
construction site is active.
Yeah, that's the back porch where she can come out and relax.
Yes, and it will be enclosed, so she should be
You're gonna
safe.
have in the balusters at the bottom.
Yes.
I think she might use glass on top when she's ready. But
Uh-huh.
right now she's gonna leave it open.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
You know?
yes.
She's gonna use glass and mosquito mesh just to protect. You know,
Yes.
customer coming from overseas, they want to feel
Yeah,
it's still in America.
Yeah.
Yeah.
right.
But this is the other back room.
Yes.
So I actually slab it over it.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and then we have
Because we're
the...
gonna use some tanks on top of it.
Okay, oh, water tank will be
tanks.
on this section, so hence the concrete,
Actually slab it, yeah.
the slab, yes, yes.
This water tank supposed to contain like a standby plan.
Mm-hmm.
If the water goes from your house,
Yes.
you don't know.
Yes, yes,
This tank that keeps circulating from the main
yes.
and keep going out and coming in. So
Mhm.
the water will be contaminated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you keep going in and
Constantly
coming
move.
out. Constantly
It won't be
moving.
like stored and
You understand?
settled.
Some people store it and settle it, but this one won't store it. This one keep going in and coming out back.
Yeah.
So if say the water go off from the pipe, she don't know if water.
She don't know.
Have a problem with water system.
Yeah.
Tank will have will full.
Mhm.
Yeah.
You know. So maybe if we have a long source of water shortage.
Like in a hurricane time, because we live in the tropics, so we the hurricane prone area. So when you have a hurricane, you know the water lock off for a period up to 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Water
right.
gone.
Because
So
this area going contains 6 tanks.
6 tanks, yeah.
And the 6 tanks are linked to the building.
Yeah.
So
Awesome.
each time it's gonna take a while for them to use 6 tanks of water.
Yeah, and when it's on the top, you have the option as to whether or not you want a water pump.
The reason why I would advise a water pump shower.
The shower.
Nobody want to shower with a
Yes.
store water pressure.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So we have some small pump that use just say less energy.
Yes.
But also you don't hear it.
You don't hear
it's
it.
so silent that
Yeah.
you don't have a pump. So people come in your house and you don't hear the pump.
Yeah.
Guys, one thing I want to tell you now. Mr. Simmons, right, one thing with him have a lot of expertise.
Yeah.
And him can guide you.
Yeah.
Right? You have an idea, you know, but him in the business so long, him know it,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
him
advise.
can advise you.
Yeah.
Right?
about the
I noticed this
crown
crown molding here, right?
That come on gonna be all in the old entire building.
Mhm. The entire building will have these crown molding.
Yes.
Made out of what material?
Fiberglass and plaster polish.
Mhm.
That also ship from overseas.
Yes, yes.
I supply them also.
Right.
Oh, so that's one of the questions as well.
Yeah.
So one of the questions that were asked, and of course we are interested in this as well, is what is your advice as it comes to shipping fixtures from overseas to Jamaica? What would be your advice?
As I said,
Versus supplying,
Jamaica.
procuring locally, yes.
Yeah.
if you say you build a house, I can tell the contractor say, okay, I want to use my stuff from overseas.
Mm-hmm.
Best for you to ship in a container.
Mm-hmm.
That way you can put doors, you can put windows, you can put mold, you can put what you
Yeah,
want.
all your fancy stuff there,
Anything
where you
fancy
see.
design you want to use in America. Just make sure say the plumber or the electrician gonna do that his work
Yeah.
to change to the kind of fixtures they're gonna buy.
Right.
Oh, so get the requirement from the contractor.
Right. So whatever the plumber and the electrician gonna do,
Mm-hmm.
it can fit whatever you guys gonna have.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Because that's very, very important.
Right.
Because sometimes you'll buy something where you come here and the way the plumber do it, or the way the electrician do it,
It won't
can't
work.
fit.
Can't work.
Yeah.
Fit.
Okay.
So you want to make sure, say, you know?
Yeah.
Like me now, I travel all over the world with that place, so
Yeah.
I have an idea. So most time I get the electrician to do it this way.
Yeah.
I don't want to do it this way.
Mhm.
Because this is, the picture is coming down, they look like this.
Right.
Yeah.
I
Right.
can sometimes draw it up on my phone and show you what it look like.
Mhm.
So whatever they're doing, match what they're come.
Right.
So it's you can ship things from overseas.
Yeah.
But just if you're gonna ship a massive amount of stuff, it's cheaper and easier.
Yes.
But if you're gonna ship that on 2 toilet and one basement, that I know-
Just get it
I don't
here,
make
get it here and
sense.
done.
Get it
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Because it's clear it and stuff like that. You know,
It don't make no sense.
Yeah.
Correct.
you know, and
Because,
then
yeah.
most of the customer come. You want the customers coming in.
Yes.
Are coming home,
Yes.
and you want to come home to that building finish.
Yes.
Yeah.
So sometimes you prefer to go the Jamaican way.
Mhm.
Yeah.
You can get all the stuff here still.
Yeah.
You can, and then the advantage, as you were saying, there's an advantage in making the contractor source all those stuff because one is out
Yeah, we
there
can
not
source
know
it.
about
We can get it anywhere we can get it.
Yeah.
How about source?
So if you're gonna sign a contract, then just
Sign a contract and
sign
that's
a
it.
contract.
And that's it.
Yeah.
I don't have no headache, nothing to worry about. Nobody stealing your material.
Yeah.
Nobody shuffling you. You understand me? The key thing about it is to get that person
A
sign that
reputable
contract,
person.
a reputable person who is recommended by somebody.
Yeah.
You understand me? Because most time a person will recommend somebody to the next person. They will not try to
They will not kind of release something before.
exactly. So they don't want to make a person feel bad also.
Yeah.
So they're gonna try to live up to their reputation.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
So that is very important also. You know, but if you can't find somebody like that, I mean, you have to. I can advise you. Next thing too, whatever time a contractor does a job, most contractors can't finish the job.
Mm-hmm.
Where finish is concerned, very important.
Yeah.
Because
Finishing for the persons who don't know. When you say finishing, you mean explain when you say finishing.
finishing like to alright, you have some person finish a building the rendering material job don't look good.
Yeah.
It's rough.
Yeah.
So the material to fix it.
Rendering to apply to put on the doors and
doors
door
and
job.
windows,
Yeah.
molding,
Molding.
job.
Uh-huh.
You understand me?
Those stuff.
All those stuff are very important. You
Yeah.
have the other car finishing.
Yes.
And sometimes you have some tiling that look good either because the walls they're not square.
Mm-hmm.
The tile look really bad.
Yeah.
In the on the floor. So those are finishing.
Yes.
Yeah.
We've had experience like that, especially with my side family, right, Adrian?
Yeah.
Where somebody finishing just wasn't right,
No,
and then
you
have to
know.
pay money to get it done
Exactly.
again.
Right.
I already
So-
pay a contract and do it already.
Exactly.
You want to go through that, so you have to make sure that the contract we can finish properly.
Yes.
Finishing is key to any building. Okay, how big it want to be look, a nice house is.
Correct.
If you don't finish,
Yes.
it don't look good.
It don't look good. The job not do good.
You
Family
might
not
waste
finish.
your money up to,
Yeah.
and then you have to live with it for a number of years again.
True.
It's not good.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure that you have finished the job for a customer. Make sure you do it to the best of your ability.
If not, if you can't do it, you get another man to do it.
Exactly.
Simple. Yeah.
Exactly, because the customer I'm gonna live with it all them here, all them life, put it up there.
Mhm.
So you wanna make sure so when it's finished, it feel good,
Mhm.
you understand me? And it look good.
Yeah.